in the garage today. I am cleaning up some things. I got the engine for the second gen in there. See that? Here's my third gen. I don't drive it in the winter. It's a little crammed in here. I don't have a very big garage. I am gutting this engine. It's a 53. There's not cracked, but I'm just grabbing all the good stuff out of it. The rods, crank, a couple other things off of it. Got another one over there. Let's take a walk over here. Show you the first gen. Whoa, crammed in here. Yeah, here's the engine that I got. This is a 2002. It is a 245 horsepower engine, HO. This is going into second gen. I gotta do some cleaning up on it, but it's a good engine. Then I gotta put some stainless steel brake lines on this thing. The rear brake line circuit blew on me. What do you got here? No exhaust manifold on it. No, well, I have the turbo over there, but it'll work. Oh, I got some things moved around. I got the engines over here, making room, so I gotta get the cherry picker out so I can lift this crank out, and then get this block off the stand, scrap it. God, there's so much crap in here. Tight. You guys ever got to see my toolbox? Here it is. What's up, Alita? What's up, baby girl? Shop dog. Yeah. Say hi. That's a good girl. All right, guys. Day one of tearing this thing down. Time to rip this engine out of it. Little 53 block cracked. So, yep. I'm gonna try to make some progress here. I'll catch back with you guys later. For right about now, got that off. I gotta go. Whew, oily boy. Block is cracked right behind there. Alrighty. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. Like and share the videos. It's only gonna help my channel grow. I really appreciate it. I'll have some more good content coming. Right now I'm just kind of in winter mode. So yeah, please like and subscribe. Thank you.